What's up everybody, it's me. I'm back. I have a video on a Brakemaster cylinder brace that I ordered off eBay and it came from China, so hopefully I don't get COVID. But yeah, I'm back, making videos again. Finally, I made an update video where I talked about like the random shit. Am I even in the frame? I'm probably not in the frame, I'm gonna get down. Yeah, but I made an update video based on like everything that's been going on and why I haven't been making videos as frequently, which I'm gonna start trying to make more. Right now I'm actually able to move my car into the garage, which is really nice because it's fucking raining right now. But yeah, the lighting's not that great, so as you can possibly see in the frame, I don't know if I put it in there, I brought a lamp in here so that I'm able to make videos in here. Yeah, but today we're gonna be installing this. It is a, do you want to focus? Yeah, it's a eBay version of like the Iridium one. It's solid metal, it's not bad. We'll see how it works. They didn't give me an Allen wrench to put these in, but luckily I have one. So if you do order this, it's only $35, whereas all the other brace cylinders are like fucking 75 and up, which is ridiculous because it's just a piece of metal that holds something in. This one, like I said, came from China, so you guys want to be careful, especially right now. It's probably not that big of a deal. I wiped everything down with rubbing alcohol because I'm not trying to die. But yeah, we're gonna be installing this, and I'm gonna be showing the difference in the brake cylinders, like the flex. Essentially what you're doing when you're braking is you are pushing the brake fluid through that cylinder. So this flexes because it comes through the firewall, and if you were to put like a brace there, it would reduce the flex and make the brake pedal feel not as spongy, which is useful when you're like on the track or doing like spirited driving. And this you can put in pretty much any car, not this specific one. This one is built for the FRS GT86 and BRZ. And essentially, all you do is you unscrew these right here. Did I just get tire shine on? Don't worry about that. You essentially just unscrew these two bolts here. I'm gonna see if I can get you a better camera angle. And then line this up so that this holds up against that. Again, I'll just show you. But that's essentially the gist of it. Yeah, so it is, where is it? This right there, that bottom thing, that's where you're gonna be putting the bolt on so that it secures it. And then the two bolts that you're gonna be taking off are that one right there, and then that one right there. And then you're gonna be putting in these right here. I don't know why I'm showing flashlight right there. But yeah, put those on, and you're gonna need an Allen wrench. I have no idea what size this is. If I can find it out, I'll put it in the description. I'll also put a link in the description to all the shit that I'm using. Not this is garbage. Yeah, but it should be pretty straightforward, and I'm excited to see how it works. So, you can get a 10 mil, that's easier to do it than the screwdriver. There's a Phillips head access kind of thing on there, but the 10 mil is easier. You just kind of have to try to fit it in there. That's the hardest part. I'm getting there.
11 minutes later.
Just you wait. Is it loose? Or am I retarded? Don't answer that. Also, I never wear shoes when I'm working on my car or in the garage, and I'm surprised no one's commented on that yet. Because everyone seems to comment, oh, you're an idiot, you don't know what you're doing, but you never comment on, oh, he's not wearing shoes. So I don't really know if you guys are even watching the videos. Get it in there. Take it back now, y'all. Perfect. Look at that. Both of them out. That didn't even take that long, guys. Fuck yeah, I know what I'm doing. So now, we get to put this bad boy in there. Jiminy motherfucking cricket. Oh! Ow! Okay. I'm gonna take this off before I fucking get stuck on something and rip my wrist off. This do be kind of annoying though. Alright, so this side goes on first. And hopefully I can just finesse it in there without making progress. The only problem is It didn't hit the floor either. No! Oh my god, I almost dropped it again. That was literally pure fear that you just heard. Alright everybody, so I just finished putting it on and that took about 15 minutes. So it's not like a really hard job to install. It's all the way right there. I still need to tighten that so it's like, you know, as you can see right down there, if it focuses. I'm gonna be surprised if it does focus. You can do it. You can do it. Yeah, see how it's not like all the way. Yeah, so right there you can see that it's not all the way flush up against the brake master cylinder housing. I might just have to edit this in post. Yeah, right there. Yeah, you can see that it's not completely flush, but it did install nicely. So right there, that's the one that I was cutting myself on. And then once you go to the big one over there, that one's actually really easy. So all in all, it took about 15 minutes, and you know, I'm me, so that's pretty good. Oh, my battery's at 4%. Anyway, yeah, so I'll cut to I'm gonna turn the camera off just so that I don't destroy the battery, but I'm gonna cut to the part where I test the brake. Okay, so I switched to my phone camera so I can actually get in there. As you can see, right there, I have tightened that down. Wow, that's so much easier than using my camera. My camera's a lot bigger than that. But I've tightened that down a couple turns. If you're wondering, it's a 13mm socket that you would need, a 13mm wrench. And you just gotta make sure that this does not move. I don't know what the hell that was. Yeah, and then you'll be set. And then this should improve your brake feel. So we can see how much it flexes. It shouldn't flex at all now. I'm gonna try to press the brake with the car off. Put the accessories on. Yeah, feel it already. It's definitely a lot stiffer right off the bat. Which is good for braking when you're doing spirited driving, like I was saying before. I'll come back in a couple, like after I've used the car for a little bit with this on it, and I'll give you an updated review just to, you know, because I've been driving the car without it for such a long time that I'll probably actually be able to tell the difference even more, and I'll be able to describe it better. Oh fuck, it's on 3%. Anyways, so that's it for this video, guys. If you have any video suggestions you want to see me do, any questions, comments, concerns, if you liked the video, like it. If you disliked it, dislike it, and just tell me why. I'm open for any feedback. I want to make the best videos that I can, so anything you guys can tell me, I'll learn from. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Also, let me know if you guys want to see me do more Bondo, like more body work, because I'm still working on that. And let me know if you want to see me fix the exhaust leak. I might make a video on that just because I have the stuff. And I'm also going to try to make a video on fixing the paint. So you'll see those in the next coming days, or maybe in like a week, depending on how time works, because I do have work and school and all that shit now. But I'll see you in the next one, and peace.